Hello, my dear ones. How are you all? I hope that all will be doing great and really doing hard work for their dreams. Do you know that I always speak this one sentence in my all videos that you will be doing hard work dreams. Do you know the reasons why I say this? Let me tell you the reasons. Because guys, I know that if you have dreams, so always you just think about that, you just want to work for that, but there are so many reasons because of that we find that are unable to fulfill our dreams, we are unable to fulfill our desire. Somewhere we think about it. So I think that by speaking this sentence, I know that this sentence will let you think about your dreams again. So that is why I always say this line in my all video. And after that, I want to talk about my today's topic. So guys, in today's video, I just want to know about the reasons because of that you are here, we are learning this language. What is the reason? What is the things? Because of that, we always try to speak English. We always try to do something hard in our life. I'm going to talk about why. Yes, guys. Do you know why? Do you know why? This is my simply question goes to all of you. Do you know why? क्या आपको क्यों पता है? Yes, guys. This is the simple questions, and it is really very simple. But most of us we don't know the answer of this question. Means whatever we are doing, if we are not knowing the reason, the why we do that work every day, so that is useless. First of all, let me talk about the why. Why do I want to talk about why? मतलब क्यों के बारे में मैं क्यों बात करना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि ऐसा होता है कि हम काम कर रहे होते हैं, वी जस्ट कीप वर्किंग फॉर आवर वर्क, फॉर आवर लाइफ्स, फॉर आवर ड्रीम्स, but sometimes what happen in our life, sometimes we get distracted, or sometimes maybe because of environment, sometimes maybe because of failures, we think that we cannot do that, and we think that there is no any dream of mine, I cannot do anything, I cannot fulfill my dreams at all, and that time we decide to give up, right? But do you think that this is the why, this is the reason? Because of that you don't think about your dreams, you are not ready to fulfill your desire, you are not ready to work hard for your dreams. This is the reason. No, guys, it is not the reason. Because of not having environment, because of toxic people, because of failures, if we think that I have these all things and because of that I cannot fulfill my dreams, so it is not real reason. Real why, it is not real why, right? Real why is your great expectation. Real why is your great expectation that you have, that your family member have from you. That is the reason, that is the main reason. And because of that reason we just we when we find that we are not getting that much things as we desire, as we expect from others, from our work, and because of that we feel sad, we feel losing everything, we feel like giving up. This is the main reason. This line, that whenever you find yourself in that environment, in negativity, and when you find toxic people around yourself, when you find that you are getting failures only, so that time you have to think your expectation that you have from yourself, or that you have from your work, from your hard work that you have. Just cut your expectation that you have, right? And when you cut your expectation in part, so you will be achieving everything. मीन्स आप जितना काम कर रहे हो उससे ज़्यादा अगर आपका एक्सपेक्टेशन रहेगा तो डेफिनेटली आपको वो चीज़ें नहीं मिलेगी जो आप सोच रहे हो, जो आपकी डिज़ायर है। जो सपोज दैट अभी मैं भूखी हूँ, राइट? इफ़ आई एम हंग्री राइट नाउ, एंड आई एम जस्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट आई विल गो समवेयर, और मुझे बहुत सारे खाने वहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे, बहुत सारा खाना मिलेगा, और मैं बहुत सारा मिल जाएगा, बहुत वैरायटी के तरह तरह के वहाँ मुझे वहाँ पे खाना मिल जाएगा। ऐसा मैं ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशन कर रही हूँ, और मुझे अभी भूख लगी है, राइट? मुझे भूख लगी है अभी, और हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं है। ऐसा मैं बस खाली इमेजिन कर रही हूँ, और अगर उसके बारे में, उसके लिए मैं मेहनत नहीं की, अगर उस खाने तक पहुंचने के लिए मैं मेहनत नहीं की, तो क्या वो खाना मेरे पास आएगा? नहीं आएगा। और आएगा भी तो उस उतना नहीं आएगा जितना मैं एक्सपेक्ट की हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वर्किंग फॉर दैट, सो दैट थिंग्स विल नॉट कम टू मी। इट इज़ रियल। Okay, so you have to work for that, so that things will come to you, and say that, so now catch me, I'm your desire, your dreams will come to you, and says that, now I have come to you, now it's your turn to just save me and keep me to yourself. That things will say, but for that you have to cut your expectation, whatever you have from your work, from yourself, from other people. Great expectation always leads terrible ends, right? तो अभी ग्रेट एक्सपेक्ट ना कीजिए, ज़्यादा उम्मीदें ना कीजिए, बस आप करते रहिए काम, और डेफिनेटली वन डे यू विल गेट दैट थिंग्स वट एवर यू आर थिंकिंग। तो अभी उस चीज़ के बारे में ना सोचो जो आपको मिली नहीं है, उस चीज़ के बारे में सोचो जो अभी आपके पास है। whatever you have, just think about that and work on that, and one day that those all things will come to you, whatever you are thinking about that, right? I hope that you are getting my point. So my main reason was to make you understand that why are you here, why are you learning, why are you doing anything. I'm not particularly talking about English language, because English is our second thing, second work that we are doing, and the main work is for we are doing this, मतलब कुछ और रीज़न है, कुछ और वर्क है जिसके लिए हम इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं। ऐसा तो नहीं कि इंग्लिश इज़ योर लास्ट गोल, इंग्लिश इज़ योर लास्ट डिज़ायर, नो, इट इज़ नॉट आवर लास्ट डिज़ायर, इट इज़ नॉट आवर लास्ट गोल, it is the source of reaching in that place where we want to be. It is only a source, right? तो अभी आपका वाई अगर क्लियर है कि आप इंग्लिश सीख के कहाँ पे पहुँचने वाले हो, तो डेफिनेटली यू विल बी डूइंग इट फ्रॉम योर हार्ट, you will be putting your efforts from your heart, because your main reason is clear. But if you don't know that, after learning this language, what will you do? So I am sure that you will be learning this language, but not with that consistency, and you will take too much time. एंड जब आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेंगे तो आप सोचने लगो कि मैं इतना प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, इतना टाइम देता हूँ, फिर भी मैं कुछ इम्प्रूव नहीं कर रहा। तो ये जो होगा वो केवल आपके एक्सपेक्टेशन से होगा, आप मेहनत उतना नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट आपके पास उम्मीदें ज़्यादा है, और आपका रियल वाई क्लियर नहीं होगा, तभी वो चीज़ें होगी आपके साथ में। तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको मेरी बातें समझ में आई होगी, और मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि you have got everything whatever I wanted to tell you in this video. So guys, I just want to make you understand that please clear your why and achieve your goals, whatever you are doing. If you are in the source of this language, if you are doing work in the source of reaching your goals, so do that work, apply every method for reaching that goal, and definitely one day you will get everything whatever you desire, whatever you think. So first of all, don't think too much about that, just start working for that. And guys, मुझे लगता है कि ये वीडियो काफ़ी है आपको अपना वॉइस समझाने के लिए, और if you think that this video helped you a lot, so you can share this video with whom it needs. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, keep learning, keep focusing, have a nice day.